Line 2, North Kennedy.
This Saturday and Sunday, there will be no subway service on the portion of Line 1 between Lawrence West and St. George stations due to track work. Shuttle buses will run. Check ttc.ca for more information. Subway service on the portion of Line 1 between St. George and Lawrence West stations will end at 11 p.m. tonight due to track work. Shuttle buses will run. Check ttc.ca for more information.
Line 2, North Kennedy.
Until April 15, e-bikes and e-scooters are not permitted on the TTC. These do not permit Help keep the TTC safe. Report any suspicious activity to a member of staff or a police officer. If you see something, say something.
Howdy folks, and sorry for my delayed intro. It is Friday, January 24th. The time right now is 4:28 p.m. and I'm here at Warden subway station on line 2 that opened back in 1968. That is located on the southeast corner of Warden Avenue and St.Clair Avenue East in the borough of Scarborough. And about 10 minutes ago, I just got off an eastbound train here at Warden Station, and for this one, we'll be doing a brief tour around Warden Station, and I do want to check out the temporary bus terminal that is outside of Warden Station. And as of January 5th, the TTC closed down the old Warden Station bus terminal. It is now under renovation for at least 2 years until the year of 2027, and they're going to be making a new accessible bus terminal here at Warden Station. So I'm going to be heading down the steps and we'll check out the temporary bus terminal just outside of Warden Station. And I think the temperature outside is around minus 5 degrees Celsius.
The TTC takes your safety very seriously. In the event of an emergency, speak to a staff member, use the emergency alarm on board the train, or TWA button or page on the platform. You can also report concerns using the Safe TTC app.
And here's where you can exit to Warden Avenue.
Help keep the TTC safe. Report any suspicious activity to a member of staff or a police officer. If you see something, say something.
And over here used to be the old Warden Station bus terminal. And I remember the beef patties used to be somewhere over there in that corner. I remember the Warden Station beef patties. But I recently tried their beef patties at Bloor Young Station, and that's where a lot of the old shops used to be. And I guess so much of my memories I had with the old Warden Station bus terminal. I used to board a lot of the bus routes at this old bus terminal, but for now it is under renovation until in about 2 years. So I have to exit this way, and here's where a lot of passengers can board the bus, such as the 102 Markham Road, the 902 Markham Road Express, the 16 McCowan, the 9 Bellamy, the 68 Warden, the 69 Warden South, the 117 Bridgemount South, which used to be the 117 Allen's Chestwood. You can also board the 17 Bridgemount, as well as the 8 Brovio as well. You can board all those routes outside of Warden Station at the new temporary bus terminal. And I have never been through this path before. It's actually my first time. Oh, I hear someone yelling. I've no idea what is that all about. I really like this path here. So on the left, we'll lead you to St.Clair Avenue East, which is over there. And here you can board. And over there you can board a lot of these buses. Again, that is the outside temporary bus terminal until the TTC opens up a new accessible bus terminal here at Warden Station. And at the station, they're going to be installing new elevators for accessible needs, all that sort of thing. And yes, it's another cold day. And this past Monday, it was the polar vortex. And oh my god. The temperature was low, like very low, down to minus 17. And it kind of felt like minus 20, which was extremely cold. But here we are at the temporary Warden Station bus terminal. That used to be the parking lot. I remember that. And here is the map. Let's see, so you can board the 117 Bridgemount South over here. You can board the 17 Bridgemount at Bay 2. And they even served by wheeled trans buses. You can board that at Bay 3. Oh yeah, and also the 135 Gerard also serves Warden Station. You can board the 135 and the 69 at Bay 4, and you can board the 9 Bellamy, the 60 McCowan at Bay 5, and you can board the 102 Markham Road and the 902 Markham Road Express at Bay 6, the 8 Broadview at Bay 7, and the 68 Warden and the 968 Warden Express at Bay 8. It's like so many people waiting for the bus. But here it is. There's the outside temporary bus terminal. So many Novas and a few of the Nova Harbor ones. And as you can see, it is snowing a bit. Bit of a light flurries coming down from the sky. And over there will be the intersection of Warden Avenue and St.Clair Avenue East. So we're in the borough of Scarborough in the city's east end. Well, yeah, it is freezing cold. Kind of feels like minus 12 with the wind chill. But yeah, rest in peace to the old Warden Station bus terminal. There's the 8 Broadview. And that is the 17A Bridgemount. That's going to be heading north to Highway 7. That's like way north of Steeles Avenue East. And over there is Warden Avenue, looking to the west. But yeah, so this is what the temporary bus terminal looks like since the original bus terminal has been shut down for under renovation. Hey, there's the 69 Warren South. Oh, I see a Line 2 train. It's heading all the way west towards Kipling Station. Yep, there goes the Bombardier 201 subway train, which will very soon be retired, I think by next year or by 2030. I think by 2030, because I did say before in my previous videos that by next year, in 2026, the old Bombardier 201 subway trains will be retired, but I mean, not quite. I could be wrong, but hey, there's an eastbound train. I'll be entering Warden Station. Woo! Yep, there he goes. Look at all that snow. Bit of light flurries, but as you see, I am almost covered in snow. I could be like a real snowman. But yeah, I mean the temporary bus terminal is not really that shabby. It is now the afternoon rush hour, as it is now 4:38 p.m. Just 22 minutes before 5 p.m. on a Friday late afternoon into the early evening, as the weekend is upon us. And yeah, so don't worry, we'll definitely head back inside once we check out the temporary bus terminal. So we're here to do a bit of the bus actions. Oh, there's the another Line 2 train. Yep, there he goes. But yeah, that's that. I mean, what else to say? I mean, I've said everything that I need to say. Like, I know most parts of the temporary bus terminal, not the old bus terminal. The old bus terminal used to be over there, but now it is fenced off due to some construction of making the new bus terminal more and more accessible. And again, they're going to be adding elevators. They might even add more escalators from the bus bay platforms. The new bus bay platforms, when it opens up in 2027, in about 2 years from now. So that'll be like a long way, but again, we can still wait 2 years. But yeah, that's that. That's the 17A bridge mount. I've recorded the 17 bridge mount almost 2 years ago. Was it 2 years ago? I believe so. I recorded that from Seals and Warden all the way south to here. And I once recorded the 68 Warden from here to Seals when I was boarding that route at the old bus terminal. Again, rest in peace to the old bus terminal. Such fun memories we had. And yeah, that's that. That's the A Broadview. It's coming from Broadview Station. So now we'll be heading back west towards it, because A Broadview only runs from Broadview to Warden Station, and the 70C O'Connor used to serve the station, but not anymore. That was a 70C branch. But the 70 O'Connor only goes from Coxwell Station to Angleton and Victoria Park. That's the 70 A branch. So yeah, that's that. A lot of buses are going to be departing the temporary bus terminal. But yeah, I mean, I really like this terminal. I really like the temporary bus terminal. And do let me know your thoughts and comments. Like, feel free to leave a comment below this video. Let me know what you guys think of this these temporary bus terminal. Do you guys like it? Is it worth it? Should we keep this temporary bus terminal and forget about making a newer bus terminal? I mean, in my opinion, I would just keep this temporary bus terminal forever. But I mean, it won't be for long though. It'll only be for 2 years, and then afterwards, they're gonna have a newer temporary, a new accessible bus terminal inside the station, not the outside. But for now, for now it's fine. So now it's almost sunset. It's cloudy, a lot of clouds, and no clear blue skies. And I think it might snow a little bit later on in the evening, according to the forecast. Oh, I see another bus that's going to be entering the temporary bus terminal. So the 17A Bridgemount will be heading back north to Highway 7 and Bridgemount. Oh, there's the 17B Bridgemount. Oh, the guy's going to be boarding the bus.
Oh, beautiful.
Nice for that driver to let the guy board the bus. So I've recorded the 17B branch, but not the A branch. This is 3256, by the way. That's based out of the medical division, and there's unit 3100. That's the 17B bridge mount. Another East 1 train. So yeah, that's that, and alright, so in about 5 minutes, I'll be heading back inside Warden Station, and then we're gonna wrap things up. Oh. Woo. Alright. Oh, I see another 9 service bus. There's mostly all of the Novas. Oh, I see an Orion NG hybrid. And that bus is based out of Malvern, since it is in Scarborough. Oh yeah, oh yeah. "1242", based out of Malvern. Yep, so now it's not in service, so it'll probably be heading back to Malvern. Yep, there he goes. He probably finished his shift. Yep, it's heading back to Malvern. There's unit 8963. And what I do like about this temporary bus terminal is that it's wide. And I remember the old bus terminal was a bit too narrow, but I really like this. I really like this platform, the busway platforms, the temporary busway platforms, much better than the original old one. Oh, never mind. The NG hybrid is coming back. I thought I was going to be heading back to Malvern, but no. I think it's probably like looping around, maybe doing a layover or something. Yeah, it's the same one. Because I thought that this bus will be heading back to Malvern, but no, it's going to be it's going to be laying over for now, probably on its break. Hey, there's the 102D Markham Road. It'll be heading back north all the way to Major Mackenzie and Markham Road, which is really, really far away from here. It's like a 2-hour drive from here to, actually maybe at least a 3-hour drive from here to Major Mackenzie and Markham Road. But yeah. Alright, so now it's been 5 minutes. Well, so that was a brief tour around the temporary bus terminal for now until the TTC opens up a new bus terminal inside Warden Station. Alright. Again, that's the 17B bridge mount. They'll be heading back north to Steeles and Warden. Sorry, I mean Steeles and Bridgemount. Only the 17C goes back to Steeles and Warden, but the B branch goes to Steeles and Bridgemount, which is quite near Warden and Steeles. But yeah. Oh, there's the 9 Bellamy. Let's capture that. I'm not in a rush. We still have time. It's only 4:48. So I'm not in a rush to capture more buses coming in. Well, probably the same one, 31 Sorry, 34331. 102D Markham Road. And that's the 9 Bellamy route. 9 Bellamy. That's coming from Scarborough Town Center. Now we'll be heading back north. I mean, yeah, east and north towards Scarborough Town Center. So far, oh, another NG hybrid. 2 of them. Now we got two NG hybrids. One over here, 1274 and 1242, just right beside, in front of the 102D Markham Road. Whew. This is like, I really like this temporary bus terminal. Well, that's the 102A Markham Road on 1242. You'll be heading to Centennial College Progress Campus. Not too far, well, not quite too far from the U of T Scarborough campus. And yep, that's that. This can be my thumbnail, these 2 buses. Or could it be that thumbnail? I don't know, but maybe doesn't matter, but well, let's do, oh, that's good, that's better. 17B bridge mount. And yeah, that's that. So yeah, I've done a walking video along Warden Avenue over a year ago from here to Danforth Road, which is a few blocks south of here. And then I rode the 69 Warden south from Danforth and Warden back here. That was when the 117 Bridgemount South route did not even existed until now. Alright, cool. So this will be my new thumbnail for this video. Alright, so now it's time to head back to Warden Station. I am now freezing. So, yep, so I'll definitely come back here very soon. Oh, let me... a sec here. There we go. Just gonna adjust my camera for a sec. There, perfect. Oh, there is the 68B Warden heading to... It'll be heading back north to Major Mackenzie. Oh, now it's not in service. Never mind. Yeah, most likely we did a brief tour around the temporary bus terminal. Man, my hands are freezing. Well, that's what it is. It's a cold day on a Friday afternoon anyways. There goes 3142. Alright, let's go. And just like that, it is now laying over. Well, for now though. Lots of incoming buses entering the temporary bus terminal. All of them actually. Yeah, I did say I was gonna like go back inside, but since there's like too many buses coming in, I'm like, why not capture it? Because since we're here anyways. There's 8464, not in service. Oh. So now this bus will be the 128 Markham Road. It's going to be boarding passengers, and then it's going to be making its way to Centennial College, which is at Markham Road near the 401. And yeah, that's that. So yeah. So let's head back inside the station before it gets even colder. There we go. All right. Now it's been half an hour, only 31 minutes and 35 seconds. I'm ready to go back home and have some dinner. I mean, my early dinner. All right. I'm gonna end things off back to where I began my video. And here they got the signage. So Warren Avenue is over there, and the line to subway is in this path. Holy moly, it's cold. And you can continue further north towards St.Clair Avenue East. So here is only for exit, so you can't enter through here. You got to enter from the other side. Man, it's cold. But yeah, there is a new path right here. A new temporary path. Alright, so I think I gotta enter through here. So once again, you can take this path to St.Clair Avenue East. This used to be the taxi drop-off zone area right here, but for now, not anymore. So let's head inside the subway. And yep, let's go inside the station. Tap every time you enter a station. Yes, always. I've seen people just ride the subway for free, and that's not even good at all. Not even good. But here we are.
This Saturday and Sunday, there will be no subway service on the portion of Line 1 between Lawrence West and St. George stations due to track work. Shuttle buses will run. Check
Come on, tap.
TTC.ca for more information.
There we go. Alright, so we do want to look at the subway concourse. Again, that was the old bus terminal, and as of January 4th was the last day of the old bus terminal here at Warren Station before renovation. So now I'll be heading up to the subway platforms.
TTC.ca for more information.
Well, on that note, I hope you all enjoyed this video where we did a tour around Warren Station, plus checking out the outside temporary bus terminal. And don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I have an Instagram account at Japan TTC Explorer as well. And it looks like that I missed my train, but no worries. I can always wait for the next one. So finally, we're back to where I began this one. Look how packed the train is, because it is still the late afternoon rush hours here in the city. Oh, so cold. Yeah, I don't see my train yet. And just like that. Yeah, but anyways, one more thing before I end it. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Stay warm, stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Alright. Love y'all so much. Yeah, I'll wait for the next train. I'm not in a rush. We're here anyways. But yeah, once again, thank you all so much for watching. Have a good weekend, and I'll see you guys next time. And enjoy the weekend that's coming up. Alright, and do stay warm because, again, the polar vortex is still around the corner, still in effect. The cold weather, so yeah, and my camera battery is almost low for my DJI Pocket 2 camera, the one I am using right now for recording. But yeah, anyways, again, yeah, stay warm, stay safe, and yeah, I'll catch you guys next time. All right, adios. Ending until I wait for my next train. All right, peace out.
The TTC takes your safety very seriously in the event of an emergency. Speak to a staff member, use the emergency alarm on board a train, or DWA button or payphone on the platform. You can also report concerns using the Safe TTC app.